Okay, I have a smart TV here. Plays a black screen. And this particular app is YouTube that I'm playing, and this is on a Fire TV. But this issue could be happening with your Samsung or your LG smart TV. So I'm playing YouTube. As you can see here, the screen's working, but I push play.
What's up, Patrick? How we doing, man?
How you doing? I'm doing all right.
We're rocking.
And it's a black screen. Well, we know it's not the actual bulb or what's inside the TV because you wouldn't be seeing this. So I made a video previously that would show like a little tiny screen, but this is a black screen. So in order to fix this, the only thing you have to do is go to Home, regardless of what version smart TV you have. You can have an on, you can have Samsung, like I said, a Toshiba. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to Settings, and each TV will be different. But I'm going to go to Settings, which is usually the little gear shift looking thing like that. Find that on your TV. Some smart TV remotes might actually have that gear shift on the remote. So let's go ahead and go to the gear shift. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do a system just restart. Now you could just clean the cache, which is basically the memory, without doing a full factory restore. But what we're doing, we're just going to do just a restart. Yes, I want to restart. And then that's going to power it off. And then what I want to do, when it starts back up, I'm going to go back into YouTube to my history, and that should fix the issue. So, you know, smart TVs, they work a little bit different than, you know, our old-fashioned TVs or regular TVs. There's a lot of little idiosyncrasies and a little, you know, I like them. Don't get me wrong. I enjoy them. I enjoy smart TVs. But there is a quality that can be missing on them. All right. So let's go ahead and go back to the app. Let's go to the YouTube app and let's see if that fixed my black screen problem. Okay. YouTube. All right, let's go to history. After we did a restart. And let's just go back to the video we were at. That should fix it.
What's up, Patrick? How we doing, man?
How you doing? I'm doing all right.
All right, that fixed the issue. All right, thanks for watching.